Dear student, in previous video we have calculated mean from individual series. Now we will calculate mean in case of discrete series. Here is the formula. We will do calculation of mean by three methods: direct method, shortcut method and step deviation method one by one. First is direct method. Mean is equal to summation of fx divided by n. Here n is sum of frequencies. We will take example. Bonus is given, number of workers given. Bonus means x variable, number of workers, frequency. In direct method we will multiply x with f. 50 divided by 4 200, 60 divided by 3 180 and so on, and take total of fx and apply formula. Mean is summation of fx divided by n or total number of frequency 28. 2140 divided by 28 and we will get 76.42 as mean. Next method is shortcut method in discrete series. Formula for calculation is mean is equal to a plus summation fd divided by n. A assumed mean, n is total of frequency. And next is step deviation method in discrete series. Mean is equal to assumed mean plus summation fd dash divided by n into c. C is common factor, n is total of frequency. We will make it clear with the help of an example. Wages are given, number of workers are given. Wages means x variable, worker means frequency. Total of frequency is 27. Take one value as assumed from x, that is 150, and take deviation x minus a. 110 minus 150 minus 40. Minus 40 means 110 is less than 150, so we will mark minus sign. 120 minus 150, 130 mean minus 150 minus 20. Then 150 minus 150 is 0. 160 minus 150 10. Here is 160 is greater than 150, so we will take it positive value, and so on. Then we will take one common factor which divide all these deviation, that is 10. Each value will be divided by 10 as a whole. 40 divided by 10 minus 4, minus sign will be leave as it. 30 divided by 10 minus 3, 20 divided by 10 minus 2 and so on. Then fd dash means frequency multiply by d dash. 4 into minus 4 minus 16, 5 into minus 3 minus 15 and so on. At end we will get summation minus 20, because minus values are minus 39, plus values are 19, so we get minus 20. Then we will calculate mean with the help of given formula. A assumed mean fd dash summation divided by n means total of frequency into c, common factor. Here is assumed mean 150, common factor is 10, and minus 20 by 27, because 20 is of minus symbol, so plus minus minus, and we will take minus 20 over 27 into 10. After calculation we get 142.6 as mean. Then next is calculation of arithmetic mean in case of continuous series. In same three method: direct method, shortcut method and step deviation method. First is direct method. Mean is equal to summation fm divided by total of f. Here m means mid value, because we are given class interval in continuous series. Let's make it clear with the help of an example. Here is example: class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. Number of foldings or frequency, age 12, 14. First we have to calculate midpoint from class interval 0 to 10, means 0 plus 10 divided by 2 is 5, 10 to 20, 10 plus 20 divided by 2 15, 20 plus 30 divided by 2 25, and so on. Then multiply f with m. Here x is converted into m, that is midpoint. Then fm is equal to 8 into 5 40, 12 into 15 180, 14 multiply by 25 350, so on. Take sum of fm, that is 1580. Then calculate mean. Summation fm divided by n means total number of frequency. 26.33 is mean in continuous series with direct method. The next calculation of mean with shortcut method in continuous series. Class interval frequency, we will take mid value 5 plus 15 divided by 2 is equal to 10. 15 plus 25 divided by 2 is equal to 20, and so on. Then assume one value from mid value. 40 is assumed value from midpoints. Then take deviation m minus a. In discrete series we did x minus a, but in continuous series we will do m midpoint minus assumed mean. 10 minus 40 minus 30, 20 minus 40 minus 20, 30 minus 40 minus 10, and so on. Then multiply d with f frequency. 8 into 30 minus 240. Next 10 into minus 20 minus 200, so on. Here is fd is 0 because minus value and plus value are equal. So we get 0 as total of fd. Then calculate mean. Assumed mean plus fd of sum of fd divided by n means total of frequency. A is 40. Summation of fd is 0 divided by 86, that is 40 is our mean. Next is step deviation method for mean calculation. Same formula as in shortcut method, but we will multiply this with common factor. Here is example: cost of production, number of foldings, class interval 2 to 6, 6 to 10, 10 to 14. F is 1, 9, 21, 47. Then we will take mid value from class interval. 2 plus 6, 8 divided by 2 is 4. 6 plus 10 divided by 2 is 8, and so on. Take assumed value from midpoint, that is 16. Take deviation m minus assumed mean. 4 minus 16 minus 12, 8 minus 16 minus 8, 12 minus 16 minus 4, 16 minus 16 0, and so on. Then take common factor from d, the value that divide the whole values, that is 4 is minimum value that divide the whole value. 12 divided by 4 minus 3, 8 divided by 4 minus 2, 4 divided by 4 minus 1, 16 divided by 4 4. These are negative value, these are positive value. Then next step is fd dash, means multiply f with d dash. 1 multiplied by minus 3 is minus 3, 9 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 18, and so on. Add the negative value differently, positive value differently. After that we get f dash d is equal to 151. Then calculation mean with the help of given formula. A assumed mean 16, and C is common factor 4. Summation of FD dash is 151. N means number of frequency. Total number of frequency is 188. After calculation we get 19.21 as mean in continuous series. Here is some other series, then exclusive series. Exclusive series which arithmetic mean. Exclusive series is given 10 minus 19, 20 minus 29, means 19 is included in 10 to 19 class, 29 is included in this. For this there is no need to change this series, do as it. Frequency is given, take mid value from series. 10 plus 19 divided by 2 is 14.5. 20 plus 29 divided by 2 is 24.5, and so on. Then apply same method as did earlier in continuous series. Assumed value, deviation taken by m minus a, 14.5 minus 44.5. Then take common factor from d, that is 10. Then multiply f with d dash, that is 5 into minus 3 is 15, 10 into minus 2 is 20, and so on. We get f d dash is minus 35. Then apply formula and calculate mean. If unequal class interval is given, then do as same. This is unequal class, 0 to 10, 10 to 30, 30 to 60, 60 to 100, means class interval are of different differences. No need to make it correct, do as it. Take mid value from class interval and apply same formula. This is done with direct method. Take mid value, multiply with the f. Total of fm is 3240. Calculate mean, we get 81. So this is about calculation of mean in continuous series and in discrete series. In next video we will do other sum related with mean.